Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I've got an unboxing for you guys and it's from a new subscription that I just subscribed to about 3 months ago. So this is going to be the first video for this unboxing by LookFantastic. LookFantastic is an internet company that is based out of England. So the only thing is that here in the States it does take a little bit longer for it to ship. They have hundreds of brands to choose from. They've got your high-end brands and your affordable ones. And in each box you get items in there that is worth more than $50. So you get 6 products in there that are worth more than $50. Now I'm going to look on their webpage here to let you know about the different subscription rates they have. They have one that is for a 1-month subscription of $19 that month. Or you can get a 3-month subscription and that is worth $18 per month. Or you can get the 6-month for $17 a month, or you can get the 12 months and that one costs $16 a month, a recurring payment of $16. And that's the one that I got. I got the 12-month subscription, so every month I'm being billed $16 and every month I should have a box full of goodies worth over $50. So here's the month for August. Here it is right here. Again, this is my 3rd month to get it and this is my first video to do the unboxing. So it's kind of fun. I'm really liking these subscription boxes. I also have another one here by Beauty Fix by Derm Store that I've been really enjoying getting. I've been getting that one for about a year. Again, for LookFantastic, this is my 3rd month. And I really do like getting products that, products that I haven't heard of before to try, products that I've heard of that I really like, and they're good travel sample sizes. Here it is right here again. Nice blue box, 2-tone. Okay, let's see what's in here for the month of August. Okay, when you open it up, it has something on the lid, has a saying every month, and it says here, Kalon Beauty that is more than skin deep. And it comes with a little pamphlet here of the products that are in here, and you'll also get a copy of Elle magazine. Here it is right here, so my daughter would enjoy getting this one. I believe last month they had a wedding special, so she enjoyed that one. And also in this pamphlet here that comes with the box, on the back side, it will give you a little sneak peek of what will be in next month's Beauty Box. So next month will be their birthday edition, and I can see Eve Lom, the cleansing balm. So I love their cleansing balm, so I'm excited about that one. Okay, here it is right here, all nice and taped up. So let's see what's in here. And here's what it comes in. This is how it comes in. All right, now the first one here, I see Molten Brown. This is the body wash, Ginger Lily. And that is a really nice size product right there. Oh, that smells good. That really does smell good. Ooh, I'm going to enjoy that one. Okay, this is by Mayo. That's the brand right there. Okay, this is called the Boob Tube Plus. Okay, Multi-Action Bust Cream. Okay, High Intensity Body Care. Let me look in here and see if it tells you anything about this product. Here it says, treat your décolleté with this rich formula that works to envelop skin in a veil of essential moisture that smooths and brightens the chest, giving you a youthful and radiant skin tone. Rich in CoQ10 and packed full of amazing natural ingredients which will benefit your skin and slow down any signs of aging. We love it. Okay. That's interesting. Didn't know that the Boob Tube has their own lotion. Let's see what it looks like. Just a white cream. Smells nice. Alright, can't wait to put that on my boobs, I guess. Next here we have Balance Me. This is a Pure Skin Face Wash. 99% natural. I've heard of this brand. This is really nice. Next here we have a small sample of Erno Laszlo. This is the Firm and Lift. The Lift Essence Lotion. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, small sample size of that. That's really nice. Alright, we have something here of a brand that I haven't heard of before. This is Incredible. Okay. That's how they spell that brand. Incredible. Kind of cute. So yeah, let me just see what it says here. All right, here, this is lip gloss. It says here it's a long-lasting, intense color gloss with no fuss and no drips. Okay, and in this month, there's 5 different shades that they're giving. Which one will you receive? Okay, let's see here if I can figure this one out. This one's called Glazing Over. Pretty springy color. Okay. Hey. Alright, the last item here, it's a little sample size of something called BBB London. This is the Brow Build Gel. So I guess a brow gel. There it is right there. Nice size to travel with. So the BBB stands for Blink Brow Bar. This is the Mini Brow Build Indian Chocolate. So I believe that's the shade Indian Chocolate. Give yourself the illusion of thicker, fuller brows with this clever part gel, part cream brow mascara. Alright, so that is the products that we get with the LookFantastic in the month of August. So it's 6 products here that are guaranteed worth to cost more than $50. So it's mostly travel size, deluxe sample size products in here, which is nice because, you know, sometimes you don't want to get the full-size product, spend that much money on it, and not liking it. Here, you get to try things like this boob tube. I don't think I'll be getting a full size of this one, but it's nice to try it in a small deluxe sample size. But alright, that is my first unboxing of the LookFantastic monthly subscription box. And I really do like getting things from LookFantastic. I did a video, they had a special edition box for Easter. The Easter egg beauty box. That one was really nice to get. And coming up, they're going to have their advent calendar, which is a really nice, big, I believe it's 24 or 25 products in that one. It should be coming out maybe September, October, and I cannot wait to get that one. And I'll let you know when that comes out too. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.